In this video, we will talk about De Morgan's theorem and we will prove that also. So there are two theorems. The first one is A plus B complement equal to A complement dot B complement, which we can term as A or B complement equal to A complement and B complement. Dots are termed as and plus are termed as or. Now let's prove this using truth table. So I have prepared the truth table already. Now I will put the values. First I will put the values of A and B, which are the input. So I am putting those 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now first I will calculate A complement. Complement means if the input is 0, then the output will be 1, and if the input is 1, then the output will be 0. So A is 0 here, so it here will be 1, 0 here, so it will be 1, 1 here, then it will be 0, and 1, then it will be 0. Same for B complement. If it is 0, then it will be 1, 1, then will be 0, 0, then it will be 1, 1, then it will be 0. Now we have to make the AND of these two input. So AND means if any of the input is 0, then the output will be 0. So 0 0, so then the output will be 0, 0 1, then output will be 0, 1 0, output will be 0. Here both the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1. If you try to understand the logic behind this, you can also visit my AND or videos which are in the playlist. Now we got the LHS. Now we have to calculate, we have got the RHS, now we will calculate the LHS. So this is the OR. In case of OR, if any one of the input is 1, then the output will be 1. So here both the inputs are 0, output will be 0. One of the input is 1, though the output will be 1. One of the input is 1, output will be 1. Both the input is 1, output will also be 1. Now we have to make the complement of it. So whatever 0 will be turned to 1, whatever 1 will be changed to 0. So it will be 1 0 0 0. So we got the LHS also. Now if we try to match this LHS and RHS, then 1 here also 1, 0 here also 0, 0 here also 0, 0 here also 0. So all these are matched. So we can say the first theorem is proved. Moving on to our next theorem. So this is the next one, that is A and B whole complement equal to A complement or B complement. Now let's prove this using the truth table. I have already prepared it. Now I'll put the values as before. So I will first put the values of A and B. So these are 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now I will first calculate A complement and B complement, just I have done above. So this will be 1 1 1 0 0 1 and 0 0. Now I will calculate the RHS, that means A complement or B complement. That means I will make the OR of these two input. In case of OR, if any of the or all the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1. So here both the input is 1, output 1, one of the input is 1, output 1, one of the input is 1, output 1. Here both the inputs are 0. In this case only the output will be 0. Now we have got the RHS. Moving on to our LHS part, that is here. So first I will calculate the AND of these two input. In case of AND, we know if and only if all the inputs are 1, then only the output will be 1. So here both the inputs are 0, output will be 0. Here one of the input is 0, output will be 0. One of the input is 0, output will be 0. Here both the inputs are 1, hence the output is 1. Now I will make the complement of it, that means A and B complement. So wherever there is 0, we will change it with 1, and 1 will be changed with 0. So here it will 1 1 1 0, just complementing this part. So we have got the LHS also. Now let's compare. here 1, here also 1, matched, here 1, here also 1, matched, 1, 1, again matched, 0, 0, this is also matched. Hence LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Now this theorem is proved with two inputs A and B. Let's think, like if there are more than two inputs, like 3, 4, like that, then also De Morgan's theorem will still hold, that I have written here. Like say if there are more than 3 inputs or more than 2 inputs, then like A or B or C whole complement will be equal to A complement and B complement and C complement, like that. In case of this also, like A and B and C whole complement, it will be equal to A complement or B complement or C complement, and like that. Thank you.